Hey curl girls, it's your girl here today back with another video. I know I've been gone for about a week, so I'm sorry for that. I was trying to be consistent, but it's been a busy week, y'all. I'm trying to move. I'm trying to find a place to go if I am going to be leaving, but it's kind of hard to do so, and I've been just busy, you know. I ain't even do my hair for a whole week, y'all, but y'all are here because y'all want to see me and how to do a high puff, and I also laid my edges, as you can see. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look here, then keep on watching.
Loud, articulate and cute, kind of quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen.
So, as you see, my hair is in like this awkward looking fro. I just took it out the headscarf, and I am going to be attempting to do a high puff today. I'm gonna show you guys how to do my high puff. Also, I am going to try to lay my edges. I don't really like laying my edges because I feel it takes too much work, and I just really like to be simple. Just put it up in a ponytail and just go, you know? So the first thing that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be spraying my hair with water because it is kind of dry. I don't really normally do this. I only spray my hair with water when I'm going to be doing my edges, so I can make my edges a little more easier to do. Now that I sprayed my hair with water, I'm going to be styling my hair, and I'm going to be using the Wet Line Extreme Gel to actually kind of slick my hair up. I actually got the big one, y'all. This one was like, I think this one was like $5. This should last me a whole long time. I'm going to be using a hair tie. It got a little hair on it. I'm going to use a little hair tie right here, and you see how big it is? I like it this big because it actually determines how big my puff is going to be. So the smaller your hair tie, the more smaller your puff will be. So I like to go big, so I'm going to just gather my hair up and just put it up in a puff. See a little mess, so I'm gonna use my pick and I'm gonna start picking it out and shaping it up. Now that I got my hair in a high puff, I'm going to be using the Style Factor Edge Booster Stronghold Water-Based pomade, and it is the grape scent. My favorite color is purple, so I had to go ahead and cop the purple one, and I love the smell, y'all. Well, I got this on it, hold on. Oh my god, it smells like grape, like literally. So I'm going to be applying this on my hair. Let's try to see how these edges gonna look, y'all. I don't really like to do my edges, but let's see. Okay. This is the finished result, so my hair is very simple and I'm loving it. I hope you guys enjoy it and love it as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment as well. Bye.